Magandang gabi, magandang mga kaibigan, kababayan ko sa buong mundo. Nandito naman tayo from Kisinova Channel. Magluluto tayo ng Hawaiian style in my Kisinova version. Alam ko this is not the original, but I'm making my own version of tinatawag na we call kalua pig, Hawaiian kalua pig. But this is my version. Kung sino yung may mga comment sa akin, di ba mga chef tayo, pwede naman tayo mag-discover kung anong klase to discover a different kind of cooking. Okay, this is my Kisinova Channel, the kalua pig Kisinova Channel version. Okay, samahan niyo ako. Okay, samahan niyo ako. Magluto tayo ng kalua pig Kisinova version. Primero, the first one, garlic, onion. I'm just making only one portion for one order. And don't forget, we have ginger. Okay? Usually they use this one to taste is only Hawaiian salt, but I'm making different way. This is my version. I know how to make an original, the original one of kalua pig. But this is not a kalua pig. Instead of kalua pig, I'm making the chicken kalua, because we can make a turkey kalua. I'm not really sure. Hindi masyado kung basta instead of pig, I'm using the shredded chicken. Okay, now regular salt. Lagyan natin ng water a little bit. Brown pepper. When you make this one, they just make just cabbage. That's how. Okay? Cabbage. That's it. Just like that. Simple. Simple lang ang style nila. Pero masarap. Masarap kung nagawa talaga sila. Kailangan may juice. I got a chicken stock over here. Then I'll put chicken stock. Kailangan titikman nyo palagi. They always taste your food. So, pinamilya lang ito, ano? I'm trying to create my own version of kalua chicken. Kung sa ating Pilipino, ginigisa lang ito eh. Ginigisa lang, garlic, onion, Tapos ginger. Tapos na. Titikman natin kung talagang approve. Sarap. Approve. Kalupig. Okay. Mga kabayan dyan. Kaibigan ko dyan. Oy, mga kumpadre ko dyan sa Hawaii. Medyo, tingnan nyo naman ang luto ni Cassie. Casanova. Paring Roger. Paring Lauro. Ni paring di na nagpapakita. Ayan, nakakalimutan ko ng pare ko na. Okay. Ano ito pa? Ano laro? Pag ano na. O mga kaibigan ko, samahan nyo ko mag-plate up, okay? Ito mga kabayan, samahan nyo ako. Ganyan lang. Simple lang. Ito na. Ganito lang ang pag-sit up. Simple lang. See? Lalagyan natin ng ano? Ang paborito natin. Asian garnish. We call Asian garnish. That's it mga kaibigan. Mga kabayan. From Casanova Channel. Here we are. This is a chicken kalua. Ang pagluto talaga ng kalua pig o chicken o turkey, because yun namang ginagamit, that's the kind of meat that they're using. They're gonna cook this one underneath the ground in the soil. Nagano sila ng mga big stone in Hawaii. They use a lava rock. Iniinit nila yan, they make it hot, and after that, they're gonna put underneath. Maraming process ito. Sana, I can explain to you, I can show you by next time, you know, in the long run. Okay, itong, ano natin, kung sinong gusto matuto, simple lang ito. Kalua, chicken kalua. Kung sa atin lang ito pa, sa Pilipino lang, ginisang manok ng cabbage, garlic, onion, ginger. Yan lang. That's it. Simple lang. Pamilya natin makakain na. Di ba, mga kaibigan? Kung may mga bisita ka, itong maganda ito. Talagang matitikman ito sa luaw. Kung pupunta ka sa Hawaiian Hotel in Quebec in Hawaii. Mayroon dito sa Las Vegas. We have here in Las Vegas. We have mayroon dito na Hawaiian luau. Di ko luau, Hawaiian buffet. Doon mo ito matitikman ang kalua pig. Ang mostly ginagawa nila kalua pig and the kalua turkey. Yun ang mostly ginagawa nila. Hindi sila ganong manok. Pero manok, pamilya naman ang turkey manok, fowl. Pamilya naman to sila. Yan lang paggawa, mga kaibigan. Kalimutan, salt, pepper. Kung a real one, pwede gamitin nyo ng Hawaiian salt. Kung gusto nyo matuto, punta lang kayo sa Kisinova channel. Just try to check in my comments section in my Kisinova channel in my YouTube, and just make a comments down there, and then I will answer back to you guys. Thank you very much for watching my cooking, my dish, the chicken kalua from Kisinova channel. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Maraming salamat.